Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to use Vanilla Visa Gift on eBay. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on eBay, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So right here on my eBay website, as you can see, I already have a items that I want to buy. So for example, I'm just going to proceed to the checkout in order to see how to use the Vanilla Visa gift card. And as you can see, this is the checkout page. And as you can see, a Vanilla Visa gift card is a Visa card. So actually, you can just choose credit and debit card options on eBay and just add your Visa card right there, and it click done. And yeah, that's it. So your Vanilla Visa gift card is already added, and you can just purchase or confirm payment on eBay, and your Vanilla Visa gift card will be added as your default payment method on eBay. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can, add Vanilla or use Vanilla Visa gift card on eBay. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye!